Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones SOUNDCORE P30i. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one, we have noise cancellation, and more of that we can modify it. We have 3 modes here, so you can choose the best one for you. Next one, we have transparency mode, classic. When you want to speak with someone you don't need ANC, so you just enable transparency mode and good. Now, the third one is these headphones have bass boost, so you can enable in sound effects. Right here we have bass booster, but of course we have also 3D surround sound here, so you can enable it, cool feature I guess, and you can create your own preset if you don't like these 6 presets. Next one, these headphones have gaming mode, so if you play games I recommend it to use it, but if you don't use it. Next one, we have an ear tip fit test, so we can make it right here to new is it okay for us, these headphones, and give some feedback if it's not. We can also modify voice prompts right here in the application. And the last one, that these headphones have dual connection, so you can add 2 devices and connect it with one headphones at the same time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!